guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer. I never start with this. My name's Jennifer. I'm an esthetician and a model, and this is my beauty channel. On this channel I talk about beauty reviews, skincare reviews, products I've tried, products you should try, products you shouldn't try, products that suck, people that suck. If any of that sounds interesting to you, subscribe now, and please like this video. Please like all my videos because that really helps the YouTube algorithm. We're going to talk about the truth about hyaluronic acid. This is a video inspired by the weather. If you notice, a lot of the videos I'm posting recently have to do with winter. Yeah, it's because it's snowing like a bitch outside. The truth about hyaluronic acid. So what you need to know. So hyaluronic acid is touted as like this miracle ingredient, and it is. It's a great ingredient. It's an ingredient that it can attract 1,000 times its weight in water. So that means 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can attract 1,000 grams, can hold 1,000 grams of water. But the question is, where is it getting this water from? And that's what my whole video is about. Hyaluronic acid will attract water from your skin if you're living in a dry climate. Now that's either dry as in like right now it's cold and dry outside, or dry as in like Arizona dry. Like anywhere that you would find dry air, you are at risk for hyaluronic acid actually drying your skin out. How do you prevent this? So hyaluronic acid is what's called a humectant. It attracts water to it. So we love humectants in skincare. Like the word humectant is goals in skincare, but you must also couple a humectant with an occlusive, because an occlusive basically puts a shield, think of it like a greenhouse. So it puts like a shield over your face so that water has to stay in your skin. Otherwise, if there's no occlusive, that water's just gonna evaporate into the air. So essentially, if you use a hyaluronic acid without a greenhouse on top, that hyaluronic acid is just gonna like take the water from your skin and put it into the air. Well, the most proper way to use an occlusive in a dry climate is keep your hyaluronic acid in the shower with you. After I'm done, like about to get out of the shower still running, I put some hyaluronic acid on my face, like with all that humidity still in there. It just like, I can feel my skin plumping like in the moment. Next, so I take my occlusive moisturizer, put a layer of that over my face as well before I even get out of the shower. So before I get out of the shower, I have my hyaluronic acid and my occlusive. And it's trapping all that water from the air, the humidity, it's trapping that all in your skin. Like people in humid climates, like their skin is more hydrated, period. If you can trap that water when you're in a humid environment, like that is goals. Like you definitely want to do that. If you're not as psycho as I am, bare minimum, as soon as you get out of the shower, put the occlusive on. Like definitely put the hyaluronic acid on in the shower, but definitely put the humectant on within a minute or two of turning the shower off. So just wanted to give you that. And then after, of course, after that, layer your SPF over that. That is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.